So let's click on this file we downloaded from NetWay's Facebook application, and yes, this is what we get after opening the file. As you can see, the number of nodes are 365. That suggests that there are 365 number of people in the Facebook group. Let's keep the graph type directed and check out the network. So this is our network of Facebook group network live, and this is the left panel. Let's first go to data laboratory, and as we can see, there are some columns that are not really necessary for data visualization, so let's just get rid of them. We don't want ID and we don't want label, cause nodes and label suggests the same thing, so let's drop it off. Let's go back to overview and play a bit with the left hand side panel, and let's choose one of the layout that would ultimately change the view of our network. And now we are supposed to select one of the layouts, and let us go and select if and who. Now let's click the run button and see what's happening. Okay, and this is the view we are getting now. Let's play a bit with the values. Let's change the optimal distance, and doesn't make much difference, so let's go ahead and change the layout. I am going to select Force Atlas and click the run button. So as you can see, the ripples and strength isn't that much, so we are not getting a perfect view. So let's change it to 1000 from 200 and see what's happening.
Let us also select adjust sizes checkbox,
And you can see a development in our network. There are multiple nodes coming towards its center based on the ripples and strength.
Now let's play a bit with the nodes.
And before that, we'd like to click the stop button. Yep, this is a good view.
And as you can see, you can create partitions in your data on the basis of their country or gender. So if I click the apply button, you can see the change in the color of nodes based on their country, and there are different colors associated with each country. So yes, there it is. You can also see a pie chart, and yes, the maximum number of people in the group are from United States. That's what the pie chart says. And you can also create a group, but it's of no significance, so let's keep it on group.
And now let's go to the preview tab. That is our ultimate end product, and see what we get there. Let's change the font, click the OK. Is there anything else we would like to do? No. Let's click the refresh button and see what's there. Oh, so this is our end product, but even though you zoom it or zoom out, there is nothing much we can do because it's very much crowded. So let's try something else. Let me select the layout named Novel Lab and see what it can do for us. Will it help us? Let's change the margin to 50 and click the run button and see what's happening. Okay, this is something better. This would help us reading the data more accurately. Let's change the grid size. No difference. How about sweet? Still no difference. Now let's check the ratio, and there we go. This is a good view. Yep. So now let's get back to preview and see what we are getting. Yes, so this is something we can use, we can read, we can analyze.
And all the edges you can see in the network just means that these are the people who added each other in their friends list.
Now what's up with the right hand side panel? Okay, so there are multiple queries we can use to filter the data. Let's drag it over there and click the filter button, and yes, we now have a good cluster. We can use this cluster to analyze the data, and let's go to preview and see what we get. So this is what we are getting. This is our cluster.
These are the people who added each other in their friends list. And
get into network, getting in touch with each other. So this is what we are getting. What else can we do with Gephi? Things in the menu bar. You can import database. You can create new workplace or delete one. And yes, you can switch it to full screen.
You can add different plugins, you can add different layouts. Initially you might not be able to find the novel layout in the package. You might have to download it, but yes, this is all Gephi can do. So start analyzing your Facebook network.